The girls are packing their bags. The last hours on Tavarua with a lot of work. Here we have some luggage. It's not all, it's just the beginning. One after the other bag is coming. Yeah, and we have a little bit of luggage to go by plane now. You can see some bags. Time to say goodbye. The crew is here and we are going to the airport. Last time. We arrived in Florida, in Miami, and today it's Sunday, so we have to look for food. We have never been to a Walmart, and now we will go to a Walmart to buy some food. This is amazing after some weeks in the Bahamas, and you can see vegetables and fruits, everything to normal prices. That's amazing. What do you say to Walmart? Big. Now we have food for the next days. Our car is full with luggage, so we have to send something to Austria. And this will be possible tomorrow, because today it's Sunday and everything is closed.
Now we are in Miami City! And we are looking for some sports stuff or something like that.
Some sleeping bags.
Sleeping bags.
Because we're sleeping in the car the next days. We're going to Dick's Sporting Goods. Yeah, looks nice with skateboards and surf stuff. Now we are at Miami Beach. Yeah, we are at Ron John Surf Shop in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Yeah. And it's just a surf shop, but it's a really big one. I think one of the biggest I've ever seen. Today we are going to the JFK Space Center here in Cape Canaveral, and we will have a look at the big rockets. First we will do a bus cruise here to see all the stations on this nice area. Then we will jump in some simulators.
Now there's a building down there to the left of the VAB. It's called Launch Control Center. We're going to head that way now. And here we are with Launch Control on the right side. Now that building, it's fairly large. Remember what I said, everything's large, that's a big one. It's divided into 4 separate firing rooms. We're going to use the far right bay to launch the SLS.
Today we will go with the car from in the Atlantic to Hollywood in Miami, and there we will meet Vita today because she has spring break. Yeah. After 8 months, Visa again. We are on the way.
It was so nice to be all together again after such a long time. Hey guys, I'm back at it again.
It's the sailing family. Woo, without a sailboat, but yeah. We met Vita here in Florida. Nice weather, sun.
It's hot. Guys, in Minnesota, I was freezing to death. It was negative 30 degrees, or 40 actually. So, first time, 80 degrees, it's amazing outside.
And because we will not see us at Easter time now, it's Easter and a little bit Christmas.
A little Easter bunny, thank you. Bunny.
Ist der Easter? Ist der Easter?
Oh, and the flip-flops, these are cute.
So you should put them on, I think.
Awesome. Yeah. Okay, short story. My mom hates my sandals. I just bought them and she was like, no, they look like sandals where you like wear them in a hospital. I was like, I like them and I bought them. So they bought me flip-flops and I wear them because she hates them. But these are really cute. And Roxy, wow.
Yeah, they're really
I love the
beautiful.
snow. Oh, I didn't even know
That's
that.
true.
And the
That's
shirt.
for Sunday.
Yeah, because we will have
I totally
big
forgot,
party.
but I don't have a green shirt, so
And
Yeah, we have all one, the same.
It's the same.
no, we have to
We
take
have
a picture. That is awesome.
And then we have to go have a drink.
St. Patrick's
yeah,
Day
St. Patrick's
beer.
Day, we have
Yeah,
to drink
why?
a beer
Wait,
on Sunday.
black beer. You
So
have
we
to
will
drink
do
black
a
beer.
party with Guinness.
That's awesome. Thank you guys.
Now we have a nice dinner and lunch in the car in our home.
Later we spent some time on the beach to talk and tell us our adventures from the last weeks and months.
Now we are in Fort Lauderdale, Miami Beach, in a calisthenics park, a fitness park, which is outside on the beach. And we will do our training now here. Today with visit the Everglades with the alligators.
I'm scared.
We have some traffic coming in.
The alligator got a broken back left leg. See the back left leg broken? This one on the grass is recovering from a fight. She stayed on that bank for 17 days. Wednesday is the first day she went back in the water. Wet! I can break that up.
Oh, a fish, huh?
What happened? Oh, who won?
My God.
Yeah, you never see this in a tour. My personal opinion, if we can't do better than we're doing now, in 10 years there's going to be nothing left here.
How was it for you?
It was fun.
Also, Ninja enjoyed it a lot. The alligator fight.
The alligator fight was funny.
So if you ask yourself now if this is the end of the sailing family, we have to tell you, yes, it is. For now. But our adventure is still gone. We will be on YouTube again with a new adventure. If you are interested in it, follow us on our new website www.pinkrambutan.com and on our new YouTube channel too. See you there, and thank you for your great support in the last years. Peace, love, and rock and roll.